What is up, guys? So I am in the process of cleaning out my basement to kind of make it more of my workshop, and one of the big problems I have right now is the lighting down there is absolutely terrible. So I wanted to make a little video. I have been looking at different lighting options and kind of what would work best down there, and ended up picking what looks to be a pretty good product. So I wanted to make kind of an overview and a review. One of the things I was looking for was a few lights, and I'm limited on power down there, so I wanted to find some lights that I was able to kind of daisy chain together off of one power source. So I think I found something really good, and if you look right here, so we got, these are 4-foot LED linkable shop lights. They come in a 4-pack. I got them on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Will be an affiliate link, just to be transparent. But let's take a quick look at these, and then we will get to installing them. So that's kind of what they look like. You see they just have a basic 2-prong cord. Very simple, very light. They're plastic, they're LED inside, so you don't have to worry about the glass breaking. You can see you can just screw mount them if you want. I believe it also comes with the chains, and yeah, there's 4 of them. And yeah, so you just daisy chain them together. Each one has a power switch, but each one, from what I understand, each one powers the next one, right? So I'm gonna plug one into the wall and then string the rest together, and you can shut off each one individually except the first one. If you shut off the first one, it's gonna shut off all 4 of them, which is okay. So you can see we got the chains here. That's what I'm planning on using. Is I'm gonna hang these on some chains. So we have 4 packs of chains. We're gonna hang those kind of from the ceiling down there. We're gonna go down there in a minute. All right, so it is daylight. I turned the lights off in the room, so not really the best test, but I just want to get an idea. That's pretty bright. I think that'll be perfect for down there. We're gonna have 4 of them strung together. I think this should add a lot of light down to my basement shop. So we're gonna head downstairs and work on getting these put up, and then we'll see. All right, so we are down in my basement and kind of want to show you what we're working with here. And it is kind of a mess still. I'm cleaning it up, but basically we have this whole area over here. The outlet that I need to use is right there. I used to have more outlets down here, but I took them out. There is another one on that side of the basement, but we're gonna tap into this one here, I think. And basically I wanna put one light somewhere over here, and then we got the whole rest of the basement here. A lot of stuff that I'm still cleaning out. I do have 4 bulbs down here, but it really doesn't do much. And we have 4 lights, so we're gonna have one in that area and one to probably one over here, another one down there, and another one across. And that should add some good light. So we're gonna get started. So the way these mount is really simple. You have these chains. On one side of the chain they have an S-hook. So basically that just loops through. That loops through the hole there, and then they give you these simple screw-in hooks. So that's going to screw into the wood floor joist in my basement, which is on the ceiling, and then you can just hook it into one of these to get the desired height. So we're just going to do that. Should be pretty straightforward. Wow. Yeah, that's really nice. That adds a lot of light down here. A lot of light. Alright, I just routed it behind those wires. Yeah. Now we're just going to continue on. Alright, so we got two. We got the one here going across. Just hung the second one. Had to get a little creative with it, but yeah, it's going up pretty easily. Two more to go. All right, so there we have it. The lights are installed. We got all four put up. I mean, it only took me like 15 minutes, so really can't complain about that. I really just needed something simple for the shop, just to get some more light down here, and this really did the trick. So didn't have to be anything fancy. Again, it's an unfinished basement, so there you have it. Definitely like these lights. Really bright down here now. I mean, you can see the difference from before. So I'm gonna finish up cleaning up down here. I have lots of things to do. If you are interested in getting these lights, I'm gonna put an affiliate link down below for Amazon where you can purchase them yourself. I highly recommend them. Very easy to put up. Only requires one plug, so very simple. I'm DC5 James, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.